To order the correct size of glass sliding doors, accurate measurement is essential. We distinguish between two situations. You already have a veranda or another type of covering. Or you are ordering a Gumax veranda together with glass sliding doors. In both cases, the passage height is important. This is the height from the top of the foundation or paving to the leveled underside of the gutter. Attention! After installation of the glass sliding doors, this height is approximately 7.5 centimeters lower due to the rail system. It is also important that the bottom rail is installed level and on a surface or foundation that can support 390 kilograms per linear meter. Would you like to install the glass sliding doors on the side of a Gumax veranda? Then you always need an 8-degree glass wedge. Suppose you already have a veranda or another type of covering and want to install glass sliding doors in it. Which steps should you follow? We begin by measuring the correct height. At the front of the veranda, measure in 3 spots: left, middle, and right. Always measure from the top of the foundation to the leveled underside of the gutter or beam. On the side, you only need to measure the height at one location where you intend to place the glass sliding doors. Would you like to recess the bottom rail into your terrace? Then add 18 millimeters to the passage height, which is the height of the bottom rail. The measured heights must fall within the range of the rail system. Both the lowest and the highest measurement must therefore fall within the passage height you select. Example: you measure 2,150 millimeters on the left at the front, 2,160 in the middle, and also 2,160 millimeters on the right. These all fall within the range of the rail system, which is 2,130 to 2,170 millimeters. If not, the space must be filled, so it fits within this range. Now, move on to selecting the correct width. Measure the width between the posts at the front and from the wall to the post at the side. Then choose a rail system that is just slightly wider than your measurement. You can easily shorten it yourself. Would you like to know the overlap of the glass sliding doors? Easily calculate it on our website. Enter your clearance height and width and receive the correct size of glass sliding doors for your veranda or another type of covering.